Hello there, my alien tulips. How y'all doing out there today? It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. Y'all, how y'all been? How you doing? All that good stuff. So I'm uber duper excited about today's video because it is going to be none other than a super short review, more so of a initial review of this brand new product that I just ordered. Came in the mail on yesterday and I just started using it yesterday. So I want to give you that initial review and kind of explain to you guys why I am using this product to even begin with. So today's video is about none other than the Hello Lovely Hair Gummy Vitamins. Y'all, so y'all know I'm good at trying new vitamins, whatever is going to help contribute to more healthy hair and hopefully help contribute to some hair growth on your girl head. Oh shoot, y'all, I can't stand that little mark right there. Comes from my hat from exercising. But anyway, we gonna jump right into it. So I decided to try these hair growth vitamins again for the simple fact I am trying to help increase my hair growth. Now, not that my hair hasn't grown tremendously. Within 2 weeks of me having these locks, my hair has been growing. Now, let me just say this. Within 2 weeks, my hair, since it's been locked, has been growing like crazy. My hair preferred that I keep my hands out of it. When I keep my hands out of my hair, it flourishes. However, as you guys can see, my hair is still very much short. As you guys remember, I did have a tapered haircut. So my hair is definitely is trying to recover from that. So hair growth has taken place and I might do a 360 before I end this video. We'll just see. But anyway, I decided to go ahead and try these vitamins. I ordered them from off Amazon. They cost $10 and some change. I think they had a 5% discount, so I was able to get that, but it still came up to be $10 and maybe some change due to tax, which is fine. Y'all, I had this holding in my cart for months because I was debating on if whether or not I even wanted to go this route again. And I just decided to go ahead since I'm doing locks and my locks are extremely new. And I figured I would really be able to see a huge difference if this helps with any promotion of hair growth while my hair is locked. So let's get into this product a little bit more in depth. Let's get to the science part first, I guess, for better lack of words. So these particular hair gummies, and I have my phone here because I want to make sure I give you guys accurate information, just FYI to you. These hair gummies provide nutrition to help support a foundation for longer, stronger, more beautiful looking hair. So these gummies do consist of biotin, and by the way, they are gummies. So gummies, in my opinion, is always better than that hard pill that you gotta try to swallow down. So gummies, of course. Also, these gummies consist of vitamin C, and they also consist of vitamin E, which is very great. We want those things. They are tasty and have a berry taste to them. So y'all, I haven't taken mine for the day. I really love the flavor of these because they are absolutely delicious. So, by the way, it does come sealed, okay? But I peeled the seal back on yesterday, but it does come with a seal on it, okay? And I ripped it open, of course. Time I open these gummies, I can just smell the berry scent immediately. I'm going to go ahead and get myself 2 out of here because you are supposed to take 2 a day. 60 comes in a bottle. So these are the gummies, you guys, and they are actually bear shaped and they are uber duper cute. See those right there? Aren't they cute? Hey, that little boo-boo. So they look like little bears, literally. And again, 60 gummies come inside of a bottle. Okay, so 60 gummies you take to a day, so that's a 30-day supply. Okay, they are very squishy. Look at her, she's so cute, very squishy, smells like berries. By the way, you guys, tastes delicious. When you are taking these gummies, chew them. Do not just swallow them. It is very key that you chew them. Mmm. 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 By the way, men and women can utilize these gummies. So men, if you want to try these to try to see if it works for hair growth for you, you can most certainly try these as well. Also, you guys, these gummies are not to just help promote beautiful hair growth. It will also help promote beautiful nails. So who out there doesn't want beautiful nails to go along with that beautiful hair? Also, you guys, these gummies are gluten-free, non-GMO, they are vegetarian, and they are natural. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys, because I know that might be very important for a lot of you guys. It definitely is important to me. Well, you guys, these hair growth gummies got a lot of mixed reviews on Amazon. In the event that that is important to you, I highly suggest that you go to Amazon. I will leave the link down below in the description box as to these gummies if you're interested in ordering your very own and giving them a try, or you're just interested in reading the reviews. Now keep in mind, today I can't give you my final opinion on this product. This is just an initial review of the product. So I will follow back up with you guys in 30 days and we will see if there were any difference from now until then as it relates to hair growth and beautiful nails. Not that I have an issue.